Hi learners, welcome to our channel, Digital Learning. If you're new here, let me remind you that our goal is to provide value to our viewers by sharing useful tutorials and educational content. We also cover the latest updates in the crypto space, so make sure to like our videos for motivation and subscribe to Digital Learning so you never miss any informative updates. I've made a video regarding the introduction part of Venn diagram, what it is, and how to draw a Venn diagram according to different sets operations, like union and intersection. If you have no basic concept of Venn diagram, union, and intersection, I would recommend you to watch that video first, and it's showing on top right corner of your screen. Now let's dive into today's topic. In this question, we have to shade according to the given set's operations. So first part is A union B intersect C. Here first we will solve the parentheses part, B intersect C. You can see three overlapping circles, A, B, and C, closed in rectangle with a symbol U written in top left corner, and it means universal set. We notice that B and C are overlapping here, so we will shade this part. And now we will draw a rectangular box to show the shading. This is not the final answer, because the final answer will be A union B intersect C. Now we will focus on A union, which means that we will shade all the area of circle A. Draw the rectangular box here. We will shade all the area of circle A. Now we will put the shading colors of first and last part here. Now we will shade A intersect B union C. As we've learned that we solve parentheses part first, so we will shade circle B and circle C first. Since it's union, so circles B and C will be completely shaded. We will put the shading color in this box. Now we will find A intersect of B union C, which means that we will check the common area between circle A and B union C. As you can see, this area is common with B union C, so we will shade this part. In rectangular box, we will put both shading colors like this. Now we have to solve A union B union C. First, we will find A union B, which is the parentheses part. Since it's A union B, so we will shade circle A and circle B completely. Here you can see that we have to take union of A and B with union C, which simply means union of circles A and B will be united with circle C, so we will shade circle C completely with same color. So in rectangular box, we will show the red color only, which means that we shaded with same pattern according to the given operation because three circles were performing the same union function. Therefore, this is the final answer. Now moving to the final part, A intersect B intersect C. First, we will shade B intersect C. Now we will check which area is common with B intersect C in order to find A intersect parentheses B intersect C. As you can see, the shaded area of B intersect C is not overlapping with circle A, so we will leave circle A blank. Therefore, the final answer will be without any shading. If you have any questions regarding today's class, you can ask me in comments section. If you found this video helpful, let me know your thoughts about today's class in the comments section. Don't forget to like the video for our motivation and subscribe to Digital Learning for more useful tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care. See ya.